today we're going to hit up 2 garage sales. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah, I believe all of them were.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How much for the receiver on the bottom? I need a radio for my garage.
About $10.
Alright. I'll give $10. Let me grab these other things from over here.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Dollar for all of it. That'll work.
Got change for a 20?
I believe I do. I don't know if I have a bunch of ones, but let's see. I don't think I have any of that. I got enough there to the bank to get. You want that receiver?
Yeah, the one on the bottom.
Okay.
I'll pick it up here in a second.
Okay. Let's see. So that's
How much is your planter? Or is it a planter?
$1.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. Whatever you want it to be. I think.
Right.
If you're buying a receiver, I'm throwing the rest of it in.
¿Están recibiendo la madera?
No problem.
Sorry, I don't have change. I can give you what change it is.
That's okay.
Thank you. Now that swan planter is the only thing I bought there for $1, but unfortunately it smelled like smoke really, really bad. So I am going to have to leave this outside and let the cigarette smell wear off before I can try and sell it. But I am so glad I did not end up buying any of these books because I'm sure they smell like smoke too. Sometimes when you're outside and you're in a hurry, you're not paying attention to something smells like smoke or not. Okay, second garage sale, you guys. Let's see what we can find at this one. Now, you might recognize this house. I believe in the fall I bought a Coca-Cola cooler here at the sale. So they have a big Coca-Cola collector that lives here. Good morning.
Surprising what you think won't sell and it does. I like my stuff. Well, I would like one too, but I got that one in there in the bathroom. I don't know. Which one does all that stuff? You got it on a piece of paper. Huh? You got it on a piece of paper. Look inside the cabinet door there.
Oh my goodness, these little paper mache bunnies were so cute. I definitely had to get these. And I was just thinking about either keeping them or selling them. And I looked them up and some of them really go for good money.
But when I went to Amazon, they didn't have it on Amazon, but they had a bunch of different kinds on Amazon. You know what you're being like? I used to know. I don't know. Huh? That gives you your muscles. My muscles, perfect. I have a lot of muscle play. I do too. I realize it's high, but it's not taking me. Now he is, it's the middle of the, my goal is to get midday. See, this thing says, what I was concerned about is getting my waist down, because your waist is supposed to be half of what your height is. And mine's more than that. This is vascular fat. But see, I'm getting there. I mean, if I can get within a healthy range, that's hard to reduce though. You can see, even over time, I've gone down 2 points. But once you lose that initial water weight and fat, I think I can get this in the green.
Sure you can.
Because it's at 9 and.
Where are your keys? I have the keys in the refrigerator.
Because I need to remember. Because my lunch is in there. I don't wanna-
Sounds perfectly normal to me. Keys in the refrigerator.
I always do that so I don't forget my bag, but I need to take home.
That's smart.
Yeah. See, it's smart.
I wouldn't forget that way.
I knew exactly where they were, yeah.
Are your clothes out here all the same price?
Yeah, she just put $2 on everything.
Okay, thank you.
But I was just gonna give you 8 ounces and. I don't want very much.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
All right. Yeah. Say goodbye to them.
Huh?
They're cute.
They're adorable.
6. And then they're 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Isn't even?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Okay, here's everything I got at those 2 sales. I have these cute little paper mache bunnies. I paid $3 each for these. You can tell they're pretty old. They have some like wear issues with the chipping and whatnot. And the bottom of them, it's not marked. I know there's some that are made in Germany that can be real collectible, but these are not marked, but they're still super cute, and I still might try and sell them. And then we got this beautiful swan. I think it's a planter. I mean, I guess it could be, like you said, anything you want it to be, but it's just gorgeous. I love it. And the bottom is marked, let me see if I can show you. It says Holland mold. Y'all kind of see that? Holland mold. But oh, it's stinky, especially right up in here. So I think I'm gonna put it outside, let it air out a little. I picked up a couple ties. Sometimes I like to try and sell some ties. And I think they were only $1 each. This one says Domingo Pure Silk. I thought that was a neat little print. Looks like some tulips or something. I don't know. And then this one was kind of a crazy print. That one is Enrico Capucci. And then it says Rome and New York on it. And then I picked up for $2 a pair of naturalizers. They're actually a wide size shoe. They're an 8. Leather uppers, pretty good condition. So thought I might try and sell these. We'll see, unless I change my mind, which I do like every day. I'm gonna sell shoes, I'm not gonna sell shoes. I'm gonna sell shoes, not gonna sell shoes. I don't know what I'm doing. Who am I, y'all? All right, so that's my haul. I hope that you enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody. You happy, TT? Huh? Yeah. Come on.